Hello, Eric, Ryan. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about
Hello.
different approach to check if a string is a palindrome. Do you remember this palindrome?
Yeah.
Ryan, do you remember this?
Palindrome.
Yeah, palindromes. String or list or numbers. What is it? Eric, do you want to explain a little bit?
Tree. It's like a word that's spelled backwards.
Yeah, I know.
Like race car.
Well done, yeah, race car. Because the race car spelled backwards is also race car. R-A-C-E-C-A-R. Okay, good job. Okay. Ryan, do you get it?
Yeah.
Race car. Yeah.
Was it like?
Okay, good job. Okay, good job.
Black.
Yeah. Okay, so
You're better.
So how do we check if a given? Let's say today we want to check define is palindrome. Okay, palindrome.
You're better.
Let's take a string, for example, string. So we need to check if the given string is a palindrome. So how do you check it? Do you have any other ideas? How do we check if a string is a palindrome? How do we check it?
Wait.
Yeah, you got some idea? Yes.
I equals.
So how do we check it? How the approach? If you're given a string like ABC, how do you know if it's the palindrome or not?
CBA.
Yes, that's a very good hint. So
It doesn't be the same. ABC reverse it will be CBA.
reverse it. Good point. So we reverse it. Yeah, we reverse it to check if it's the same. So how do we write it? We can do this. Return, reverse this string if Eric, if it's the same as the input. Okay, that's one line of code. Okay, yes. So how do we check? Yeah, no. Then you need to define this ref. So where is the ref? You can define another function, ref, to reverse it, right? So how do we reverse it? Remember the general approach, this easy approach, like we can define the answer here. First of all, it equals empty string. Then for I in S, answer equals I plus answer. Yeah, put every character before it, so it will be reversed. Yeah, return what?
Return. Reverse.
Return what? This is a function. Return what?
Arms.
Yeah, answer. Return answer. Yeah, that's easy. In Python we can use a much better, quicker way. Look, this whole thing can be replaced by what? Return. Look careful. It's a very special keyword. S. Okay. Then what should we do? Bracket. Column minus 1. Okay. It means reverse it. Okay. So this whole thing can be replaced by Python. This means to reverse it.
Why does 2 columns begin of a list?
Sorry.
Why are there 2 columns begin?
This is just a keyword. A string, then we can do it this way. Then it means, look, if S is A, B, C, and these will become CBA. Okay. Okay. So that's one way of doing it. Yes. So how do we? This is one way of doing it. We can also do it this way. Okay. We can check. So how do we check? We can, for example, like A, B, B, C, B, B, A. Okay, so we can check this character if it's the same as this. If it is the same, then I move it to B. So I have 2 things. One here, left. One here, right. Got it? So if it's the same, I move it towards each other. Then left plus equals 1. Yeah? And left, right minus equals 1 until they meet. Do you understand?
Yeah, but they go that Then that.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
what happens then?
Okay, so how do we write this? We can do
Middle
this.
is
Look,
the same.
look, left equals 0, right equals length s minus 1, yeah? Because it's the star always, in computer always start with 0. S0 means the first character, okay? Yes? So we can check this. Y, left smaller than right, yeah? When they don't meet each other, right? Alright?
Mm-hmm.
So we can check if S left not equal S right.
Why does the exclamation mark?
Not equal. This is not equal. Equal, not equal.
I thought not equal was
Is-
this.
Yeah, but how do you put it in computer? We use this to put it in computer, not equal. Do you get it? Okay? Because if we don't have this in computer keyboard, okay? So this,
Oh yeah.
yeah, come here. Look, if the left character is not equal to the right character, what should we do? It's not a palindrome, right?
Yeah.
Then return false, right? Return false.
Else return true.
No. Because then we need to move the left to the right and move the right to the left, right? And then if they meet in the middle, that means that minus equal plus equal. So left will be increment by 1, right will be decrement by 1, okay? Then after this, what should we do? If they meet in the middle, what should we do? Return true, right? Because we found this. Am I right?
So what?
Yeah, so look, this race car. Can we do it with the race car thing?
Yeah.
Like that, race car. Okay, so left is here. Right is here. Y left smaller than right is here. We're here, yeah? We're here. If S left equals not, if R equals R, yes? Yeah? So left would be A, R would be A. And then check if it's the same, yes? The same, yes? Okay, in the middle, they are in the middle, so we don't check, so return true. Okay, to get it, moving towards the middle. Yes? Okay, so this is one way of doing. And we can also use the for. How do we use the for? Look, we can use the for. It's quite similar. Look, for I in range len s, right? This will give the number index. Actually, we don't need to check in the middle, right? Because we only want we don't need to go to the entire. We need to go to the in the middle. So range, this will be divided by 2. In the middle, just in the middle. So how do we do? Then we do this. If Si, what's the corresponding? If I is here, I is 0. Then we want to find this corresponding. So it will be S len S minus 1 minus I, right? If I is 0, then it will be length S minus 1. I is 0. I is 1, it will be length S minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. If it's not equal, then return false. Otherwise, here return true. Okay, it's the similar thing, but we are doing a different implementation. So do you understand it? Sorry?
You forgot the else.
We don't need the else because look, this is inside the for, right? This is inside the for. If we return, then it will return. It doesn't continue. Then at least now we will return true after this for loop. Do you get it? We got a space here, yeah, indent. That return is belongs to this if. Okay, so this is one way of doing. Can we use something like stack? Remember? Do you remember the stack first in?
First out.
No, let's queue. First in, last out. Yes. Okay, so how do we do it? With the stack. That's the last approach, and then you tell me which one is the best. Okay. Which one? And today you're going to implement one. Okay, because I've told you now 3 approach, right? 3 or 4. I can't remember. You can remember, yeah. Now, how do we do it with the stack? First in, last out, yeah, stack. So first of all, we need to convert this S string into a list.
I got a question.
So,
It
yes?
needs a finger space.
Now there's no space. You don't have the space. Look, we convert it into a list. So we use the list as now it will be list will become ARR will become what? A, B, C, right? Okay, so now we got list. So what do we do? What do we do? How do we check the bit? So we want to check if it's backwards, right? If it's backwards, its backwards version is the same as this. So
Column.
so what can we do?
Wait.
AR array just stands for array. So what can we do with it? So we have this, then we have an I. We can say
Wait. Just wait.
for
Wait.
I in S. So we're iterating from this A, B, C, right? And now we need to take an element from the ARR. ARR dot pop.
Wait.
Right?
Stop.
What? Yes? What do you want? I told you, don't worry, I come back to you later, okay? Remember, yeah, you'll be good boy on the video, okay? Remember. Now we take the last element at the end, right? We take the last element at the end, and we need to check if X, if it not equals to I, then return false. I explain to you later, okay? Otherwise, here we will return true. So do you get it? Look, we convert the list string into ABC, the list, and every time we take an element from the end and pop it, which is C, and we compare to the A. If it's not equal, then we return false immediately. And this way, look, if a race car, yeah, then race car will become a list, and I take the C first. Race car R here, right? And then if it's the same, I go continue, pop it, until if it's N, then we return true. Do you get it?
This will be Windows.
Okay. So which way do you like the best? The most easy way will be isPalindrome S. Remember this?
Yeah.
Is S. Yeah? You just need one line. Return. Yeah? Return this. This is the easiest way.
You just only write that.
Yeah, return that.
Well,
Define in
what?
Yeah.
That is Palindrome as then that.
That return that. Remember previously I told you this is in a separate function with rev, right? But you don't need to define two functions. You can just put it there. And this is one way. Remember we use the for. We use the 2 pointers left and right? Left and right and put it in the middle, right? And we also don't need to check the entire string. We just need to check half of the string and calculate the index. Okay? So any questions before you pick one of your best approach? You know, your favorite approach to implement on your computer. And one final last thing, say goodbye to the video. Say bye-bye to the video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, enough.